To install the front rack, you'll need a 5mm hex key, a 10mm wrench, zip ties, and scissors or cutters. If you're also installing the basket, you'll need a 4mm Allen key. Start by removing the headlight and setting it aside for now. Reinstall the bolt to secure the front fender if you have one, otherwise it can be removed and stored for later use. Install the basket by keeping all the cables between the mounting points, then screwing in a supplied bolt and washer on each mounting point by hand. Once all 4 bolts are started, tighten them down. Take a moment to check that the cables don't bind while turning your handlebars, and that the brakes still function normally. Adjust the cables if necessary. Use an included bolt, nut, and 2 washers to mount the headlight to the front of the rack. Carefully cut the zip tie securing the extra cyc of the headlight, and then reconnect the headlight. Secure the cable with a zip tie. To install the cargo basket, align the mounting holes on the rack, then thread in a bolt and washer on each hole before tightening them down.